Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today, I was asked by New Age Tactical to be a part of this traveling survivor box, and I was super excited to do this. To be honest, this is actually my first time actually getting a traveling survivor box, so thank you to New Age Tactical for sending this to me. I also want to give a big thank you to the Titan Preparedness channel because he reached out to me in an email on behalf of New Age Tactical to set this up. New Age Tactical sent an email. I said I'd be happy to. So thank you to both of those guys. They're fantastic channels. If you have not subscribed to them, please go to the description. I'm going to put a link to both their channels down below. You're definitely going to like what they have because they do a lot of prepping stuff. They do a lot of demoing and a lot of what if scenarios and talking about it. So definitely check those guys out. So now we're going to show you what's in the traveling survival box. All right, so now we're going to open the bad boy up. Definitely has a lot of tape on there because it's been through a few different hands. So, and like I said, I kind of saw what New Age Tactical have, so I kind of at least know what's in. So I'm excited to get that. So what we kind of have as soon as you open it up here is a whole bunch of awesomeness here. We have stickers, which people have been adding and taking out stickers, but I believe, yep, this is the rules of this. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to read this to you right now, is Rule 1, no junk. Must take at least one item up to a max of 3. Everyone who receives the box must sign the sign-off sheet located in the white tube. Make sure a video of what you took. You must replace the item that you took of an equal or greater value. Handmade items are fine as long as they are decent. Again, no junk. Next person you send it to the box, in case they don't want it, you know, they have to participate. The person sending the box must pay for the shipping. And then the 30th person will send the box back to Cariboo Country Outdoors. So let's see how far we can take this now. I think this is, the theme is fire, water, and shelter. So we're going to kind of take this off here. Put the rules on that off to the side. So the first thing they have on there is stickers that people who have stickers, you can kind of take them out, add some in there. So just kind of show some page New Age Tactical. So that's who had it left. So there's some cool stickers there. I don't have any stickers. Maybe that's something I might be working on in the future. But have a lot of different types of cool stickers in here. So I might take a sticker. We'll see. But now let's get actually into the box itself. I think the sticker thing is really cool. And if you have stickers, you can put those in there. So, you know, if you are going to get this box down the line and you do have stickers, I put about 5 or 6 in there. So if people want to take it, that's kind of a cool thing. So the first thing that is, actually, I think, yeah, this is the sheet we have to sign, which we'll do that in a little bit after we go through everything that's in the box. So the first thing that is in this box is a nice little canteen here, which is very nice. And I remember watching the Tactical, they were thinking about taking this, so they left this here. We have a nice bigger water bladder, which is refillable, which is good for camping or if you're hiking and stuff. Very good to have. And then we have some, this is black and white Sharpie. These are fire tinders, which is cool to have. Some candles, which always good to have in a blackout situation. Then we actually have the Hydra Blue VersaFlow inline water filter, so which is a really cool item with a replaceable filter. And then we actually have this cool Craftsman knife, so which is really nice. And then we have, this is a how to fire start, or how to start fire. So it kind of gives you a little bit of everything. And I knew Tactical put this in there, so very good to have. Then we also have a emergency reusable sleeping bag, which is very nice. And then we actually have a canteen with some sterno cans, which is pretty good. We have a shit kit, kind of funny. Tactical put that in, which I thought it was really funny. Got a nice little pocket knife, which is almost similar to what I actually carry, because here's my knife. So which is real, these are real nice to have. I like having it because you have the seatbelt cutter and the little thing to break the little knot, the nail or whatever you want to call it, to break the window. So that's really nice. Then we have another tactical knife, which is real nice. And then some fishing bobbers, some hooks, some more hooks. So that's kind of a nice little combo set right there. Then we have a 550 cord with a compass. Then we have, looks like a handmade item. And I'm trying to see what this is real quick. Oh, looks like I think it's a flint and steel. I think that's the rock for the flint and for the steel. I believe what this is. If you maybe are watching this and this was your item put in, let me know. But this is definitely a very nice kind of a handmade item here. So that's really nice. Then we have a multi-tool snap-on, which is very nice. Can never go wrong with multi-tools with the cover. So get that back in there. And then we have, I believe this is this is camper's toilet tissue with a kind of a cloth, with like a washcloth with a nice little rope around there, just to kind of keep it together. Then we have a poncho, which is very nice to have. You can never go wrong with ponchos. This is some, I believe, this is a real nice Mylar blanket. So if this is something, you know, definitely want to have in all of your cars, especially with wintertime. Right now, Ohio, we're in the full blower winter, and right now it's about 20 degrees and it gets to about 10 degrees outside. So having one of these in your vehicles is a good thing to have. And then just a nice little 6x8 tarp. So can't go wrong with all that. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to kind of lay this out, and then we'll kind of show you me inking, putting my name in there. As you can see, I signed it, Easy Prepper 101, Justin W, which is, I love how they kind of made the burnt marks on there. And then this is just an extra sheet, so when the 30th person, when they do get it, they'll ship it back. All right, so we have everything on the table. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna take the New Age Tactical sticker and the Rewyld Outdoors. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. The one thing we're actually gonna be adding to this, when my wife saw the stickers, my wife is actually gonna be making me some Easy Prepper 101 stickers that I'm gonna be putting in this bag. They're not in there right now, but there will be some when this goes to the next person. So I'm gonna take 2 stickers. I'm definitely gonna add some of mine stickers in there. I'm gonna take 2 items. The first item I'm gonna take is the snap-on multi-tool. Can never go wrong with multi-tool, and plus it's a snap-on, so I'm all about that. So that's gonna be the one item I'm gonna be taking. And the next one is the Hydro Blue flow system with the extra cartridge. So those are gonna be the 2 items that I'm gonna take. And now we're gonna package all this up, and now I'm gonna show you the items I'm gonna be putting in the box. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna put in the box is the Wallaby Mylar Food Saver bags. You're gonna get labels, you're gonna get the oxygen absorbers for the 5 bags in there, and I also printed off the instructions, so you didn't have to go searching on the web for that. So I think that would be kind of good with the theme, because if you want to put some food in there, seal up, especially if you're gonna go backpacking or camping for the week, you could use these, put the food in there, and be ready to go for whenever you need to use this. So that's the first one. So the next thing I'm putting in the box is a Zippo Genuine Windproof lighter. Goes with the theme. You're just getting the Zippo itself, so if you do pick this down the line, just got to make sure that you're gonna have to get the fuel for this. So I figured this is a great thing to have, and Zippo is a great brand. All right, guys, so the last thing we're gonna be putting in is the Tac Niner shovel. I love this product so much because the shovel that I have that's actually hanging in my garage, and it's been dirtied and it's been dropped in mud. I love that so much. I ended up going to Amazon and actually purchasing a brand new one out of the box. I haven't even opened it yet. And this is gonna be going in the box. And lastly, my awesome wife made me some Easy Prepper 101 stickers, so we're gonna put some in there. These are the original 5. So good luck to whoever gets these, and now I'm in the sticker game. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed me doing this kind of tactical survival box. I really enjoyed doing it. Once again, thank you to New Age Tactical and the Titan Preparedness channel for kind of getting this going. So the next person I'm going to be sending this to is 3D Outdoors. If you don't know who 3D Outdoors is, his channel is going to be in the description. You definitely want to check him out. We've been watching each other's video probably from the very beginning when we first started YouTube together. Probably when we only had like maybe I think 50 subs. So I've known him for a great time. Dan is a fantastic human being. His channel's amazing. He has everything from metal detecting, which is one of my favorites that he does. Also does looking for silver and coins. He does fishing. He also does some 3-gun stages, how to fix stuff on ATVs. Just a fantastic channel, so definitely go check out Dan from 3D Outdoors. So that's going to be it. If you guys like what you saw in this box or whatever you think maybe you would put in this box, write it down below, because I would like to know maybe what would you take out. Would you maybe taken out, you know, the blanket or maybe the pouch? Put down below. I want to know what you guys would take in there. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.